I'm Jennifer Williams. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Lincoln Trail Elementary. Tonight is open house for the 2018-2019 school year. We have several vendors set up for people to come around and look at before they go to their kiddo's classroom. Here is the Family Resource Coordinator. We just help families, just make their children and their families succeed here in the community and in the school. So if you ever need anything, please stop by. For more information, you can contact the Family Resource Center at 270-737-1687, or you can email me at jennifer.williams@hardin.kyschools.us.
Hello, I'm Gina Jeffries, the principal at Lincoln Trail Elementary. I'd like to welcome you to the 2018-19 school year. We have many new staff members that we're ready to welcome to this school year. We are excited about our returning students and our brand new ones. We look forward to a great year, and please, at any time, if you have any questions for us, give us a call in the office, 270-737-7227, or look us up on our website, From Hardin County Schools to the Lincoln Trail Link. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Myrna Grider, and I'm a bus driver for Hardin County Schools. We are at the schools for the open houses, and if you have any questions about your route that do not get answered at the school, you can call 270-769-8965, and that's Jennifer McCoy. She's the South End Coordinator, and your questions will be answered. You will be found out, and you will be called with the answers. Have a great year.
Hello, my name is Kelly Miller. I'm the Assistant Principal of Lincoln Trail Elementary. I also wear the hat of Title I Coordinator, and Title I is just so that we can provide extra assistance for our students, and it's also to encourage parent involvement through parent conferences. We have grandparent lunches, we have shared writing events where parents can come in and see their child's work and their progress throughout the school year. And throughout the year we also have other involvement activities that parents are encouraged to be a part of so they can be a part of their child's learning so that we can help them to all be successful.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Hall. I'm the Cub Master down at PAC 130. If you'd like to join Scouts and be a Scout, go to beascout.org and it will bring up our location. We're PAC 130 here in Elizabethtown. We are accepting boys and girls to join from kindergarten to 5th grade.
Hello, my name is Morgan Castor, and I am the Lincoln Trail Elementary School PTA President. A little bit about PTA is we are here for the parents, we are here for the teachers, we are here for the students, just kind of connect that bridge. And this year we are asking everyone to join for $5, and it can be families, it can be grandparents, it can be teachers, it can be anybody. So everybody look at the Lincoln Trail Elementary School PTA page on Facebook and join PTA. Website or a phone number on it. Oh,
Hi, I'm Carrie Crocker. I'm manager here at Lincoln Trail Elementary Cafeteria. Just a reminder that the prices are the same as last year. It's $2.70 for a full price student and 40 cents for reduced. Parents are always welcome to come eat lunch with their child. Adult price is $3.60. If you have any questions, you can contact me at 270-737-0531.